If you're watching this video, you probably think that your credit score is the one thing that's standing between you and buying a house. And you've probably been told by someone, maybe a bank, maybe a friend, that you need to wait until your credit score is perfect. That's simply not true. Let me show you why. I talk to people every day who've been waiting years to buy a house because they think that their credit isn't good enough. They've been paying rent, they've been watching prices go up, they've been missing out on building up their own equity, all because they believe that they need a 750 credit score and perfect payment history. But here's what most people don't realize. Banks and brokers look at way more than just your credit score. And there are lenders, good lenders, who will work with you even if your credit isn't perfect. You just need to know how the system actually works. So let's start here. What credit score do you actually need? Most traditional lenders, your big banks, they want to see a credit score of around 680 or higher for the best rates. But here's the thing, you can get approved with a score as low as 600, sometimes lower depending on the lender and your situation. The score is just one piece of the puzzle. Lenders also care about your income and your job stability, your down payment, your debt to income ratio, and most importantly, your payment history trend. Are you improving or are you declining? That story matters more than any one number. I had a client a few months ago. The credit score was 625. It wasn't terrible, but it wasn't great either. She thought that she had no chance. That's what she was being told. She's been to her bank and they told her to come back in a year after she quote unquote fixed her credit. So one way or another, she ended up finding me and we looked into her situation. She had stable income. She had decent savings. The credit issues, they were from 2 years ago. Since then, she'd been perfect. Every payment was made on time. Balances were coming down. And there was a specific moment in time that led to all this. That trend, it told the story. And we found a lender who saw what the bank didn't. She got approved, bought her first home. The mortgage payment was actually less than what she was paying in rent. She didn't wait for perfect credit. She just needed the right approach. So if your credit isn't where you want it to be, here are your options. Option one, work with a mortgage broker, not a bank. Brokers have access to multiple lenders, including ones that specialize in helping people with credit challenges. Option two, consider alternative lenders, sometimes called B lenders. They have more flexibility on credit. Yes, the rate is a little bit higher, but you can refinance in a year or two once your credit score improves. Option three, improve your credit while you prepare to buy. You don't need perfect credit, but if you can spend 3 to 6 months fixing some errors, paying down balances, and building a better payment history, you'll have way more options. Here's what I don't want you to do. Don't wait forever thinking that you need a perfect score. Don't assume that because one bank said no, every lender will say no. And don't keep paying rent for years while you fix your credit, because time is equity that you're losing. Look, if you're serious about buying a house, but your credit has been holding you back, here's what I want you to do. I've put together a free credit framework that walks you through exactly how to improve your credit, what lenders are actually looking for, and how to position yourself to get approved. It's free. The link is in the description below. And if you want me to personally review your situation and tell you where you stand, I offer free 15-minute strategy calls. No pressure or a sales pitch, just clarity on what your options are. A link for that is also in the description. So if you want to connect with me, I'll put my calendar link in there as well. Your credit score today doesn't define your future. I've helped hundreds of people buy homes who thought that they'd never qualify. You can be next. We'll talk soon.